sitting forward.
Yeah, cause my yeah, I'm watching out for landmines. So this one's dope too. So 68 Bel Air or Biscayne?
Biscayne.
68 Biscayne wagon. That's cool. I'm gonna spin around it real quick. So that's cool on itself. Oh, it's my favorite year. I didn't even try to talk about this one because you looked for this one for how many years?
I knew about it, but it took me years to get it.
Yeah. Hey, is that a cameo bed?
Yeah.
What the? You got taillights?
Yeah.
Really? I need a set of taillights from.
It's customer stuff, but he might be buying some new stuff.
Oh yeah, 'cause I need the bezel. Let me get back to work. Okay. I need that for my own thing though. But yeah, 68. Look at these old. I can't even read that. It's like Reptile Gardens, Rapid City, North Dakota, I think. South Dakota. That one says, I think Flintstone, something South Dakota. But this one's awesome because look at the other side real quick. I love these wagons. So did the Impala wagons get a third light though? Or they all did too? Do you know? I know my 60 Impala, I think my 62 Impala has 2. Check that out though. Big block 4-speed. Factory. But this isn't a disc brake car, right?
No.
Drum brake. I love odd stuff like this. With the Muncie shifter. Biscayne stripped down, but it has air conditioning, right?
Yeah.
So air conditioning, big block, and a 4-speed, nothing else. And 2 rows.
Yep.
Does this one run and drive?
Yeah.
Dang. Let's check this out. What does this say? Old parking thing. Portland Expo. I won't focus, but take my word for it. Yeah, the AC dash. It's funny on the Biscayne, they sprung for AC and a big block and a 4-speed. That's probably all they could afford right there. Ooh, listen to that door. Love how wagon doors shut. Let's see. There we go. Oh yeah. And was it 3 1/4 horse or?
Yeah.
Yeah. AC. That's so cool. They didn't want no power disc, none of that. Give me drums, give me a big block, 4-speed, and get out of my way. And I need AC. What color was this thing?
So that's the original paint on the quarter panel there.
Is it kind of brownish?
Like a charcoal, super dark gray.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. I love wagons. Especially big block wagons. When's the last time you had this out?
A couple months ago.
Yeah, runs nice?
Yeah, I need to rebuild the car.
Yeah, that's like my Caprice. I need an air. You have another air cleaner like this for a big block? Or a 4-barrel, I mean?
I don't. They're different from 4-speeds and automatics. Are
Really?
different too. So.
That kind of stuff would drive you crazy. Trying to restore one back to the original. I've never seen them tilt down like this. But that's dope, man. Oh, and the hinges are nice. Watch this. Boom! We out.